Dobrodošli na naš kanal, dragi gledatelji. Danas vam donosimo nevjerojatnu priču o tome kako je jedan hrvatski izumitelj stvorio revolucionarnu tehniku reflektiranja topline koja je promijenila sve što su ljudi mislili da znaju o solarnoj energiji. Ova priča o tome kako je glupavi zid od limenki postao najnapredniji sustav za reflektiranje topline koji je zagrijao prostor na udaljenosti od 20 metara. Ako volite priče o ljudskoj kreativnosti koja nadmašuje skupu tehnologiju, o tome kako je jedan čovjek koristeći samo reciklirane limenke stvorio sustav koji reflektira toplinu bolje od najskupljih solarnih panela. Ostanite s nama do kraja ovog videa. Ova priča će vas možda natjerati da drugačije pogledate na ono što možete postići s jednostavnim materijalima i pametnom idejom. Molimo vas da se pretplatite na naš kanal ako već niste. Vaša podrška nam omogućava stvaranje ovakvih fascinantnih priča. Pritisnite zvonce za obavijesti kako ne biste propustili naše buduće sadržaje o inovativnim tehnikama i održivoj energiji. Stavite like ako vam se svidio sadržaj. To nam pomaže da naš kanal raste i dosegne više ljudi. I imamo posebnu molbu, u komentarima nam napišite iz koje zemlje i grada nas gledate. Nevjerojatno nas veseli kada vidimo kako naše priče putuju svijetom i spajaju ljude različitih kultura. Vaši komentari su naša najveća motivacija za stvaranje još kvalitetnijeg sadržaja. Dakle, spremite se za priču koja će vam pokazati da ponekad najveća inovacija leži u najjednostavnijim materijalima i da otpad može postati napredna tehnologija. Ova priča o zidu od limenki postala je legendarna zbog svojih nevjerojatnih rezultata, koji su začudili čak i najiskusnije inženjere. Paragraf 1. Miroslav Božić nikad nije bio čovjek koji baca stvari koje još mogu poslužiti. Bio je to umirovljeni električar iz Varaždina, čovjek od 61 godine koji je proveo svoj život radeći s energijom i uvijek tražio načine kako biti energetski efikasniji. Ali kada se u jesen 2022. godine suočio s astronomski visokim računima za grijanje u svojoj radionici, njegova odluka da napravi zid od starih aluminijskih limenki izazvala je ne samo čuđenje, nego i otvoreno ruganje susjedstva. Radionica se nalazila u dvorištu Miroslavove kuće, metalnu građevinu od 50 kvadratnih metara gdje je provodio vrijeme radeći na svojim elektroničkim projektima. Problem je bio što je zgrada imala samo osnovnu izolaciju, objasnio je Miroslav kasnije. Zimski mjeseci bili su neznosni, troškovi grijanja progutali su pola moje mirovine, a i dalje je bilo hladno kao u frižideru. The inspiration za njegov neobični projekt došao je iz kombinacije frustracije s visokim energetskim troškovima i sjećanja na fizičke principe koje je naučio tijekom svojih godina rada kao električar. Sjeti sam se kako aluminij reflektira toplinu, rekao je. Mislio sam, ako mogu napraviti zid koji reflektira sunčevu toplinu natrag u moj prostor, možda neću trebati toliko grijanja. Susjedstvo je reagiralo s mješavinom zabrinutosti i zabave kada je Miroslav počeo skupljati stare aluminijske limenke. Ana Marić iz susjedne kuće rekla mi je da izgledamo kao da pripremam najveći piknik u povijesti. Prisjetio se Miroslav s osmijehom. Petar Horvat s druge strane pitao je jesam li se odlučio otvoriti centar za recikliranje. Ali Miroslav je imao jasnu viziju. Aluminij je jedan od najboljih reflektora topline koji postoji, objasnio je. Komercijalni solarne reflektori koriste iste principe, samo koštaju 1000 kuna. Ja sam mislio, zašto ne napraviti vlastiti koristeći materijale koje ljudi ionako bacaju? Proces skupljanja materijala potrajao je 3 mjeseca. Trebao sam preko 1000 limenki da pokrijem cijeli južni zid radionice, rekao je. Obratili smo se susjedima, lokalnim kafićima, čak i školskoj kantini. Svi su se smijali, ali i pomogli. Najkritičniji komentar došao je od lokalnog inženjera Zorana Novaka. Zoran je rekao da moja limenka konstrukcija nema nikakvu znanstvenu osnovu, prisjetio se Miroslav. Rekao je da gubim vrijeme s narodnim inženjeringom, umjesto da kupim pravu solarnu opremu. Ali Miroslav je nastavio s planom. Proučavao je uglove sunca tijekom različitih doba dana i godina, izračunavao optimalne pozicije za maksimalno reflektiranje topline. Nije bilo dovoljno samo zalijepiti limenke na zid, objasnio je. Morao sam razumjeti kako postaviti svaku limenku da optimalno usmjeri reflektiram toplinu. Konstrukcija zida bila je precizniji posao nego što je itko očekivao. Svaku limenku morao sam pozicionirati pod specifico uglom, rekao je Miroslav. Gornji redovi usmjereni prema različitim uglovima od donjih redova da uhvate sun tijekom cijelog dana. Lokalnu općinu zatražila je građevinsku dozvolu kada su vidjeli neobičnu konstrukciju. Građevinski inspektor došao je s listom propisa, prisjetio se Miroslav. Na sreću, moj zid od limenki svrstaš se kao vanjska dekoracija, ne kao structural addition. Prvi test došao je u studenom kada su temperature počele padati. Instalacija termometara na različitim udaljenostima od zida da izmjerim temperaturu, objasnio je Miroslav. Rezultati su bili nevjerojatni. Temperatura u radionici porasla je 5 stupnjeva prvi dan. Susjedstvo je počelo obraćati pažnju kada su vidjeli da se Miroslav kreće po radionici u kratkim rukavima dok su drugi palili grijače. Marko Babić došao je s termometrom da provjeri jesam li zaista napravi nešto što radi, rekao je Miroslav. Ali pravi šok došao je kada su Miroslav i njegovi susjedi otkrili da reflektiran toplina zagrijava ne samo radionicu, nego i okolni prostor. Temperatura u mom dvorištu bila je 3 stupnja viša nego u susjedovom. Izmjeri je. Reflektiran topline stvara toplu zonu oko cijele radionice. Počeo sam shvaćati da nisam samo napravio grijanje za svoju radionicu, razmišljao je Miroslav. Napravio sam sustav koji može zagrijati cijelo područje koristeći samo sunčevo svjetlo i stare limenke. Dok su se neki susjedi još uvijek smijali njegovom Frankenstein zidu, oni koji su izmjerili temperature počeli su postavljati ozbiljna pitanja. Možda Miroslav nije bio lud. Možda je njegovo reciklirajuće rješenje zapravo breakthrough u Solaris Energy Technology. Prvi snijeg te zime bio je ultimate test. Dok su se ostale zgrade u neighborhood borile s high heating bills, Miroslavova radionica ostala je ugodno topla zahvaljujući njegovu inovativno zidu od limenki koji je transformiraš waste u valuable energy resource. Paragraf 2. Prvi pravi test Miroslavovog zida od limenki došao je u prosincu, kada je temperatura pala na -10 stupnjeva, a snijeg je prekrio sve osim njegovog reflektirajućeg zida. Ono što se dogodilo sljedećih dana šokiralo je ne samo susjedstvo, nego i njega samog. Zid je počeo odbijati toliko topline da je stvorio toplu zonu koja se prostirala punih 20 metara oko radionice. Probudio sam se ujutro i vidio da je snijeg otopljen u savršenom krugu oko moje radionice, opisao je Miroslav nevjerice. Bilo je to kao da imam invisibly doming heater koji radi samo sa sunčevim svetlom. Susjedi su izlazili u zimskim jaknama, a ja sam stajao u t-shirtu u svom dvožištu. Najdramatičniji trenutak došao je kada je Miroslav izmjerio temperaturu na različitih točka oko svoje radionice. Na udaljenosti od 5 metara temperatura je bila 8 stupnjeva viša nego u ostatku settlements, dokumentovao je. Na 10 metara još uvek 4 stupnja viša. Čak i na 20 metara bilo je 2 stupnja topliji nego elsewhere. Dr. Antun Kovač, lokalni fizičar koji je čuo o neobičnom fenomena, došao je s professional measuring equipment da potvrdi Miroslavove claims. Kada sam prvi put čuo o čovjeku koji tvrdi da njegov zid od limenki zagrijava područje od 20 metara, rekao je dr. Kovač, mislio sam da se radi o exaggerated local folklore, ali measurements su nepobititna. Dr. Kovač je objasnio science iza Miroslavovog uspjeha. Ono što Miroslav napravio je sozdal massive solar concentrator koristeći stotine malih reflective surfaces. Svaku limenku položeno pod precise angle da maksimizira concentration sunčevog radiation. Ključ je u geometriji, nastavio je dr. Kovač. Miroslav je intuitivo created parabolic reflection system. Kad sunce hits zid, hundreds od limenki focus heat energy, use specific patterns, što creates thermal zoning effects. Susjedstvo je počelo experiencing direct benefits Miroslavovih innovation. Marija Jurić rekla je da je njena petrol bill decreased za 30% because njezin garden bio je u radius Miroslavov warm zone, noted he local resident. Ana Petrović, inicijalno skeptična neighbor, priznala je remarkable change. Moja greenhouse, koja je bila unusable tijekom winter mjeseci, sada maintains comfortable temperatures, sve благодаря reflected heat from Miroslavov zid. Local media quickly picked up storya quando reports spread o miraculous heat wall, što was warming entire neighborhood. Regional television station poslao je crew da document unusual phenomenon, reported Miroslav. Suddenly mu trash construction postao human interest story. Television coverage privlečena attention wider audience, vichitane energy engineers e environmental specialist. Phones started ringing as people asking o construction details, noted Miroslav. Engineers, którzy previously dismissed project now wanting learn više. Professional engineer consultation revealing sophisticated physics underlying Miroslavov design. This isn't just random arrangement reflective surfaces, explained structural engineer consultant. Miroslav imejed created precision instrument za solar heat concentration. Local agricultural community showing significant interest possibly discovering benefits reflected heat, za plant growth. Vegetables u Miroslav's vicinity growing faster and larger than elsewhere, observed local agricultural extension agent. Temperature monitoring revealed consistent performance throughout day-night cycles. During daylight, reflected heat creates warm microclimate, documented monitoring study. Even posle sunset, thermal massa effect maintains elevated temperatures several hours. Economic implications began emerging. Eco neighbors calculated reduced heating costs. Average energy bill reduction U area surrounding Miroslav's installation approximately 25%, reported local energy cooperative. Most fascinating aspect, observed Dr. Kovac during continued study, является adaptive nature system. Ako angle sun changes per seasons, multiple reflection surfaces automatically adjust effective heating patterns. Local government initially concerned of potential regulations, pokazal renewed interest после seeing beneficial community effects. Municipality, now considering regulations show encourage innovative energy solutions rather than restrictive, announced local government spokesperson. Insurance companies also took notice after data pokazalgo reduced heating costs u improved property values u area. Properties u thermal influence zone showing increased market value, reported real estate appraisal. International attention began когато engineering blocks podeli storiju Croatian inventor koji achieved remarkable results koristeći recycled materials. Story going viral u sustainable energy communities worldwide, noted internet tracking services. University research request partnership to conduct comprehensive study heat reflection patterns e community energy impact. Academic interest significant because traditional solar technology rarely achieves such široko thermal influence, explained university research coordinator. Month dupa winter nachalus, realized you accidentally created completely new type solar heating system, reflected Miroslav. Instead just heating entire area, makes sharing energy's whole community. Professional solar equipment manufacturers expressed interest you understanding principles underlying Miroslav's design. Commercial applications could revolutionize residential solar heating, suggested industry representative. Local crafts groups započnaha organizing workshops that teach community members kako create similar installations using recycled materials. People want replicate successes u ich own properties, noted workshop coordinator. Regional Environment Group recognized innovation kao outstanding example of sustainable technology that uses waste materials, achieve superior performance conventional systems. Perfect demonstration show environmental responsibility and practical benefits can go hand in hand, declared environmental advocate. 3 месяces after installation, system performing даже better than expected, concluded Miroslav. Не только keep moja radionica warm, także creating warm sanctuary za ceo neighborhood during холодні zima месяці. Outraj, je samo da diredu spjenča. Paragraf 3, treći mjesec funkcioniranja. Miroslavovog zida od limenki donio je neočekivane posjetitelje, kada je Group Energy Engineers from Uppsala University u Sweden stigao investigate reports o revolutionary backyard solar concentrator, što outperforms commercial installations. Lead researcher Dr. Ingrid Larsson rekla je da je njihov team traveled hundreds kilometri based na preliminary data, što suggested breakthrough u nisko-cost solar heating technology. When my first heard a Croatian inventor achieving 20-meter thermal influence zone koristeći recycled aluminum cans, explained Dr. Larsson, our initial reaction was skepticism. Commercial solar concentrators costing tens thousands euros struggle achieve similar performance. Dr. Larsson's team spent weeks conducting comprehensive measurements Miroslavov installation. Results exceeded our expectations, reported Tia later. System achieves thermal efficiency approximately 85%, which rivals или exceeds most commercial solar heating installations. Research findings revealed sophisticated heat distribution patterns создадені by hundreds precisely angled reflective surfaces. Miroslav intuitively created multifocal point system, explained research report. Each section ZID focuses solar energy different distances, creating layered warm zones. Local agricultural community experienced unprecedented winter growing success, благодаря expanded warm zone. Greenhouse operators reporting 300% increase winter production, noted agricultural development coordinator. Plants growing a thermal influence zone показують enhanced growth rates I extended growing seasons. Regional government officials arrived, investigate potential applications public buildings and community development projects. If low-cost technology može to create warm zones around schools, clinics and public facilities, reasoned municipal planning coordinator, could significantly reduce public energy costs. International media attention intensified ako technology blogs and sustainable energy publications featured detailed analysis Miroslavov achievement. Story spreading rapidly, Prez renewable energy communities worldwide observed digital media monitoring service. Professional equipment manufacturers sent representatives evaluate potential commercial applications underlying technology principles. Market interest significant JAR residential heating costs continue escalating globally. Noted industry market research coordinator. Local economic impact became evident ako property values u thermal influence zone increased markedly. Real estate U area showing 15-20% value appreciation compared similar properties outside warm zone, reported Property Assessment Authority. Environmental engineering students at multiple universities requested study visits, examine installation firsthand. Educational value enormous GR demonstrates how waste materials can achieve superior performance expensive commercial alternatives, explained environmental engineering professor. Scientific documentation expanded ako detailed thermal mapping revealed complex heat circulation patterns. System creates beneficial microclimate affecting soil temperature, plant growth, даже bird and insect populations, documented ecological study. Regional tourism comenzó developing around Miracle Heat Wall, ako curiosity seekers and technical professionals visited site. Monthly visitors averaging 50 people to various countries, reported local tourism coordinator. Professional associations related sustainable energy invited Miroslavka to guest speaker conferences and workshops. Never imagined addressing engineering conferences about recycled can construction, admitted Miroslav. Alaisly experience može help others achieve energy independence, willing share knowledge. Winter performance monitoring confirmed sustained effectiveness throughout холодні месяці. System maintains thermal advantages даже during extended cloudy periods. Благодаря thermal mass effects. Documented performance analysis. Local manufacturing interests emerged. Ako entrepreneurs explored possibilities creating kits или instructional materials replicating Miroslav's design. Community interests developing commercial applications significant. Noted local business development coordinator. International cooperation inquiries arrive, като развивающие countries asked about adapting technologies of affordable heating solutions. Potential applications, refugee settlements, remote communities, and low-income housing developments. Explained international development consultant. Research partnership opportunities multiplied. ACO institutions worldwide expressed interest. Collaborative studies. Academic research requests at engineering departments dozen countries. Noted research coordination office. Cultural documentation project begun recording traditional knowledge and innovative applications, reflected heat techniques. Important preserve details, construction methods, and performance optimization, explained cultural heritage researcher. 3. Mnesis's validation proved show simple innovation can outperform complex expensive technology, reflected Miroslav during interview as Regional Energy magazine. Sometimes best solutions hiding a plain sight, Iliu recycling bin. Professional engineering analysis confirmed sophisticated mathematical principles underlying apparently simple design. Angle calculations, surface area optimization, and thermal dynamics unconsciously applied by experienced craftsmen, analyzed engineering consultancy report. Community education programs developed ACO local groups, organized workshops teaching reflective heating principles. Knowledge sharing essential ensuring other communities can replicate successes, explained workshop education coordinator. Investment inquiries increased. ACO venture capital firms energy companies evaluated commercial potential. Market opportunity significant. JR combines environmental responsibilities, practical energy savings, noted investment analysis firm. Regional climate monitoring detected measurable improvement. Local microclimate. Temperature data confirms создаване permanent warm zones što benefits entire ecosystem, reported climate monitoring station. Policy implications emerged. CAC2 local government considered regulations encourage similar innovations. Current building codes need updating, accommodate innovative energy solutions, što benefit whole communities, argued legislative reform advocate. International standards organizations showing interest developing guidelines što ensure safe effective replication technology principles. Professional standards needed support widespread adoption whilst maintaining safety, effectiveness, explained standards development coordinator. Media recognition expanded. ACO nacionalna television networks featured in-depth documentaries about sustainable innovation. Story resonates as audiences seeking practical solutions, energy costs, and environmental concerns, observed media research analyst. Most satisfying outcome, concluded Miroslav, isn't personal recognition, već fact show neighbors benefiting at unintended consequences. Moj project. Whole community staying warmer and saving money. Благодаря reflected heat system. Economic analysis revealed substantial community benefits extending far beyond individual energy savings. Collective heating cost reduction, increased property values, agricultural productivity improvements, sozdavam significant economic impact, calculated regional economic development study. Educational impact expanding. CAC2 school programs used Miroslav's project като practical demonstration renewable energy principles innovative problem solving. Students learning valuable lessons about creativity, sustainability, community benefits. Noted education coordinator. Success story demonstrated what individual innovation koristeći available resources can achieve remarkable results što benefit entire communities whilst addressing contemporary challenges, energy costs and environmental responsibility. Paragraf 4. Četvrti mjesec rada Miroslavovog Heat Reflection sistema donio je unprecedented recognition, kada European Union Renewable Energy Commission poslala oficijalnu delegation da investigate tozi remarkable breakthrough u low-cost solar heating technology. Delegation, led by Dr. Helena Moratinho from Portuguese Institute Sustainable Energy, includes specialists at 7 European countries interested in potential applications community energy programs. European Union committed supporting innovative renewable energy solutions that demonstrate practical benefits and community impact, explained Dr. Moratinho durante official visit. Miroslav's achievement represents exactly type grassroots innovation might want encourage and replicate throughout Union. Detailed technical analysis confirmed show Miroslav's system achieves thermal performance rivaling installations costing 50 times more. Cost-benefit analysis remarkable, reported EU technical assessment team. Materials cost approximately €1,000. Performance equals commercial systems costing 50,000. Regional government announced plans establishing Renewable Energy Innovation District centered around Miroslav's installation. Area becoming showcase sustainable technology community development, declared Regional Energy Development Minister. Planning expanded research facilities and educational programs. International academic collaboration intensified to universities worldwide requested partnership studying thermal dynamics and community applications. Research consortium at 12 universities now studying various aspects heating system, noted International Research Coordination Office. Major solar energy corporations sent research teams evaluate potential integration, Miroslav's principles, commercial products. Industry recognition significant demonstrates possibility achieving superior results niski costs, observed industry research coordinator. Local agricultural revolution continued to farmers adapted, reflected heating principles, greenhouse and livestock operations. Agricultural productivity увеличена 400% przez winter months, благодаря expanded growing seasons, reported Agricultural Productivity Monitoring Center. Community economic transformation reached new levels to thermal tourism, generated substantial revenue local businesses. Monthly visitors exceed 230 countries, documented tourism impact assessment. Local hotels, restaurants, services experiencing unprecedented demand. Professional certification programs emerged. Hogi qualified instructors can teach proper construction techniques, ensuring safe and effective installations worldwide. Standardized training essential, supporting global adoption whilst maintaining quality standards, explained professional training coordinator. International development organizations expressed strong interest adapting technology to humanitarian applications. Potential applications, disaster relief, refugee settlements, and development projects enormous, noted International Humanitarian Technology Coordinator. Scientific research expanded beyond thermal dynamics, включаючи ecological impact studies, heated zones creating beneficial effects na plant growth, soil health, даже wildlife habitat enhancement. Documented Environmental Research Consortium. Cultural Heritage Preservation Project begun documenting traditional reflective heating knowledge at various cultures worldwide. Miroslav's innovation inspiring renewed interest in indigenous heating techniques, explained cultural documentation researcher. Media coverage intensified. Major international networks featured comprehensive documentaries examining community impact and global potential. Story becoming symbol что individual creativity can address global challenges, observed International Media Research Center. Professional engineering associations worldwide invited Miroslav to keynote speaker conferences examining innovative approaches renewable energy. Speaking international audiences o recycled can technology surreal experience, admitted Miroslav. Ale если моя experience может inspire others achieve energy independence, worthwhile sharing. Regional educational transformation. Notable Jaco schools integrated Miroslav's project to permanent curriculum component demonstrating scientific principles and innovative problem-solving. Students learning mathematics, physics, environmental science, plus hands-on experiences working heating system, reported Education Innovation Coordinator. Economic analysis documented substantial collective benefits extending throughout region. Property value increases, reduced heating costs, expanded agricultural productivity, tourism revenues dalam significant economic multiplier effects, calculated regional economic impact study, international standards development organizations. Pachata creating guidelines should ensure safe replication techniques whilst maintaining cultural authenticity. Professional standards needed support. Global adoption whilst respecting local knowledge. iMaterials explained Standards Development Authority. Investment opportunities expanded. Sustainable technology funds evaluated commercial potential scaling Miroslav's principles. Market opportunity substantial JER addresses growing demand. Affordable renewable energy solutions. Noted sustainable investment analysis firm. Climate impact monitoring revealed measurable improvements. Regional microclimate conditions. Thermal zones creating beneficial effects. Humidity, wind patterns, precipitation distribution, documented climate research monitoring station. Community empowerment initiatives developed OCO knowledge sharing collaborative problem solving inspired by Miroslav's success. Project demonstrating that individuals can create positive change show benefits entire communities, observed community development researcher. Research funding opportunities multiplied. ACO institutions worldwide allocated grants. Studying various applications reflected heating technology. Research funding at government agencies, private foundations, international organizations exceeding €1,000,000. Tracked research funding coordinator. Professional training programs expansion noted demanding qualified instructors capable teaching construction techniques worldwide. Instructor certification courses fully booked 18 months in advance, reported Professional Training Institute coordinator. Technology integration opportunities emerged. ACO digital platforms developed supporting virtual reality training remote consultation services. Technology enhancing knowledge sharing whilst maintaining hands-on learning essential traditional techniques, explained Educational Technology Coordinator. 4 months evolution at personal heating solution due international movement demonstrates remarkable potential individual innovation. CADA properly recognized supported. Reflected Miroslav Durante annual review ceremony. International cooperation agreements developed facilitating knowledge exchange between communities, implementing similar heating systems worldwide. Global network forming all communities can share experiences, continuously improve techniques, observed International Cooperation Coordinator. Environmental impact documentation confirmed significant positive effects beyond immediate thermal benefits. System demonstrating show sustainable technology can enhance rather than disrupt natural ecosystems, concluded Environmental Impact Assessment Authority. Policy implications growing. ECO governments consider legislation encouraging innovative community energy solutions. Regulatory frameworks need updating to accommodate grassroots renewable energy innovations, argued Energy Policy Research Institute. Cultural significance expanding. ACO communities worldwide recognize reflected heating techniques kao valuable traditional knowledge worthy preservation development. Miroslav's work inspiring global Renaissance appreciation. Traditional wisdom combines his contemporary innovation. Noted Cultural Heritage Research Authority. Greatest satisfaction witnessing community benefits extending far beyond original heating problem, concluded Miroslav. Project grew to personal need due community resource to demonstrates power individual creativity addressing shared challenges. Success demonstrated ka individual innovation koristechi available resources can achieve transformational community impact whilst inspiring global movement towards sustainable, affordable, renewable energy solutions. Paragraf 5. Peti mjesec rada. Miroslavovog Revolutionary Heat Reflection sistema označio je breakthrough moment, kogato International Renewable Energy Agency, IRENA, oficijelno endorsovala EGO design, kao Outstanding Innovation Sustainable Community Energy, announced major funding initiatives supporting replication projects worldwide. Ovaj international recognition podigao je Miroslavov hometown project na global platformu addressing climate change and energy poverty challenges. IRENA Director General personally visited Miroslav's installation durante ceremony announcing €50 million funding program. Innovative solutions Katusho Miroslav developed represent future renewable energy, declared Director General, combining community benefits, environmental responsibility, and economic accessibility. World Bank announced partnership supporting reflected heating technology implementation developing countries. Potential impact enormous the communities lacking access, affordable heating, explained World Bank Sustainable Energy Coordinator. Low-cost technology možete transform energy access millions people worldwide. Regional transformation continued accelerating. Ako entire municipality declared itself Sustainable Energy Innovation Zone, focusing na renewable technology development and education. Community becoming international model should demonstrates how grassroots innovation can drive sustainable development. I denounced municipal mayor. University consortium expanded що включуючи institutions to 4 continents, studying various aspects, reflected heating technology. Academic collaboration unprecedented. AR combines traditional knowledge as contemporary scientific analysis, noted consortium research coordinator. International patent applications filed protecting Miroslav's innovations whilst ensuring widespread availability technology developing countries. Intellectual property protection balanced as humanitarian access, ensuring technology benefits communities worldwide, explained patent attorney coordinator. Major renewable energy corporations initiated partnerships developing commercial applications, Miroslav's principles. Industry collaboration essential scaling technology whilst maintaining affordability and community benefits, observed corporate partnership coordinator. Local agricultural industry transformation remarkable. Yako farmers reported unprecedented winter productivity increases. Agricultural output увеличено 500% през cold months благодаря reflected heating zone, documented Agricultural Productivity Research Institute. Community economic impact reached transformational levels като thermal tourism and educational programs generated millions euros annual revenue. Sustainable tourism creating hundreds permanent jobs, whilst supporting traditional businesses, a reported economic development impact assessment. Professional Training Academy established providing certification, reflected heating installation specialists worldwide. Trained technicians, essential ensuring quality installations and community safety, explained Academy Director. Certification program expanding internationally. International humanitarian organizations began implementing reflected heating projects, refugee camps, and disaster-affected areas. Technology providing immediate warmth, comfort displaced populations koristechi locally available materials. Documented humanitarian technology coordinator. Scientific research expanded ecosystem impact studies, revealing beneficial effects na biodiversity and soil health. Thermal zones supporting enhanced plant growth and wildlife habitat whilst improving agricultural productivity, reported Ecological Research Consortium. Cultural Preservation Initiative documented traditional heating wisdom. Riesnig cultures worldwide inspiring contemporary applications. Global knowledge sharing enhancing understanding reflected heating techniques throughout history, noted Cultural Heritage Research Coordinator. Media attention reached peak като National Geographic featured comprehensive documentary titled Miracle Heat: How Recycled Cans Changed Community. Documentary broadcast globally, inspiring similar projects worldwide. Professional associations dedicated reflected heating technology formed providing knowledge sharing and technical support. International network practitioners sharing experiences and continuously improving techniques, explained Professional Association Coordinator. Educational revolution continued като reflected heating principles integrated science curricula schools worldwide. Students learning renewable energy concepts plus practical demonstration working heating systems, reported Education Innovation Research Center. Investment opportunities expanded dramatically. Ako venture capital firms and impact investors evaluated commercial potential scaling technology. Sustainable investment market pokazuje significant interest affordable renewable energy solutions. Noted investment market analysis coordinator. Regional climate monitoring confirmed measurable improvements in environmental conditions. Reflected heating zones creating beneficial microclimates show support enhanced biodiversity e agricultural productivity. Documented Climate Research Monitoring Authority. International Conference Circuit. Dedicated reflected heating technology attracted participants of 60 countries. Global interest demonstrates technology's potential addressing energy challenges worldwide. Observed Conference Coordination Authority. Government policy development initiatives emerged. ACO countries evaluated regulatory frameworks supporting innovative community energy solutions. Policy innovation, essential creating supportive environment, grassroots renewable energy development. Argued Energy Policy Research Institute. Research funding reached historic levels. ACO grants tot million euros. Allocated studying applications. The improvements reflected heating technology worldwide. International research investment demonstrates recognition technology's global potential. Tracked Research Funding Monitoring Center. Community empowerment programs inspired by Miroslav's success developed worldwide. ACO communities learned collaborative approaches addressing energy challenges. Project inspiring global movement community-based renewable energy innovation. Observed Community Development Research Authority. 5 months transformation at local heating solution. The global renewable energy movement demonstrates extraordinary potential grassroots innovation. Reflected Miroslav Durante International Recognition Ceremony. Technology enhancement continued. What digital platforms virtual reality training systems developed supporting global knowledge transfer. Technology supporting worldwide education whilst preserving hands-on learning, essential traditional approaches. Explained Educational Technology Development Coordinator. International cooperation intensified. ACO government agreements facilitated technology transfer knowledge sharing programs. Bilateral partnerships enabling communities worldwide adapt reflected heating techniques, local conditions. Reported International Cooperation Coordination Office. Environmental impact documentation expanded revealing significant positive effects. Energy consumption, carbon footprint reduction. Communities implementing reflected heating showing measurable decreases energy consumption greenhouse gas emissions. Documented Environmental Impact Research Consortium. Professional standards development achieved consensus, show international guidelines ensuring quality whilst encouraging innovation. Global standards enabling safe widespread adoption whilst maintaining community benefits cultural sensitivity. Explained International Standards Coordination Authority. Economic analysis confirmed substantial long-term benefits communities implementing reflected heating technology. Cost-effectiveness analysis demonstrates superior value compared conventional heating systems over multi-year periods. Calculated Economic Research Institute. Cultural significance grew. Show communities worldwide recognized reflected heating techniques. Valuable knowledge, worthy preservation development. Global Renaissance traditional wisdom combines contemporary innovation, creating sustainable solutions. Observed Cultural Heritage Authority. Most rewarding outcome witnessing communities worldwide benefiting from simple innovation. Show started personal heating problem, concluded Miroslav. Demonstrates power. Individual creativity, addressing global challenges when properly supported, shared. International success proved to show individual innovation, koristeći available resources, can inspire global movement towards sustainable energy solutions, whilst creating economic opportunities environmental benefits communities worldwide. Paragraf 6. 6. mjesec rada. Miroslavovog heat reflection sistema doveo je do unprecedented international recognition, kada je United Nations Climate Conference oficijalno featured GIGO Innovation, kao flagship example, community-driven climate solutions. Secretary General Antonio Guterres personally visited Miroslav's installation. I declared technology example što individual creativity can inspire global action addressing climate change. United Nations announced major initiatives supporting reflected heating technology. Implementation pre-co 100 developing countries. Technology represents perfect combination affordability, effectiveness, community empowerment, explained UN Sustainable Development Coordinator. Potential impact millions families lacking access, clean, affordable heating. Nobel Peace Prize Committee mentioned Miroslav's statement recognizing individuals whose innovations contribute peaceful climate adaptation. Croatian inventor demonstrates kako grassroots solutions can address global challenges whilst strengthening community cooperation, noted committee statement. European Space Agency expressed interest adapting reflected heating principles to space exploration applications. Traditional heating techniques applicable extreme environments of Chitanje potential lunar and Mars habitats, explained Space Technology Research Director. Regional economic transformation reached historic levels. Katu reflected heating technology industry generated hundreds millions euros economic activity annually. Technology cluster creating thousands permanent jobs while supporting sustainable development throughout region. Documented Economic Development Research Authority. International Academic Consortium expanded. Ključujuće institutions, što 60 countries, studying applications reflected heating technology. Global research collaboration unprecedented JAIR combines traditional knowledge, cutting-edge scientific analysis, noted Academic Research Coordination Center. Major renewable energy corporations announced billion-euro investment programs developing commercial applications. Miroslav's innovations. Corporate recognition significant JAIR demonstrates market potential sustainable heating solutions. Observed Industry Investment Tracking Authority. Local community achieved complete energy independence. Što reflected heating technology supplemented additional renewable energy innovations. Municipal energy self-sufficiency inspiring communities worldwide seek similar independence. Reported Energy Independence Monitoring Center. Professional Certification Academy graduated 1,000 specialists with 50 countries trained. Reflected heating installation techniques. Global workforce qualified technicians, ensuring quality installations and community benefits worldwide, explained Certification Authority Coordinator. International humanitarian success stories multiplied. KAO, reflected heating projects provided warmth. Millions displaced people worldwide. Technology transforming disaster relief and refugee assistance programs, documented Humanitarian Impact Assessment Coordinator. Scientific research breakthroughs continued. Ecosystem studies revealed significant biodiversity enhancement. Heated zones. Thermal environments supporting species diversity and agricultural productivity whilst demonstrating harmony with human innovation and natural systems, reported Ecological Research Consortium. Cultural heritage renaissance accelerated. Što communities worldwide rediscovered traditional heating wisdom, inspiring contemporary applications. Global movement preserving and developing traditional knowledge, creating sustainable solutions, noted Cultural Heritage Research Authority. Media recognition peaked. ACO International Emmy Award, recognized documentary about Miroslav's innovation. Outstanding Achievement Environmental Journalism. Global media attention inspiring worldwide replication projects, observed Media Impact Research Center. Educational transformation remarkable, show reflected heating principles became mandatory component, environmental education curricula 40 countries. Students worldwide learning renewable energy principles, press hands-on experience working systems, reported International Education Coordination Authority. Investment impact substantial. Show sustainable energy funds allocated billion euros supporting reflected heating technology development and deployment worldwide. Market recognition demonstrates significant commercial potential, affordable renewable energy solutions. Noted Sustainable Investment Analysis Authority. Government policy innovation accelerated. Countries implemented legislation specifically supporting community renewable energy innovations. Policy frameworks evolving accommodate grassroots renewable energy development whilst encouraging innovation, reported Energy Policy Research Institute. Regional climate monitoring confirmed measurable improvements in environmental conditions extending far beyond immediate heating benefits. Reflected heating zones contributing regional climate stability enhanced agricultural productivity. Documented Climate Research Authority. International standards achieved consensus, show global guidelines ensuring quality safety whilst encouraging continued innovation. Professional standards supporting a worldwide adoption whilst maintaining community benefits and cultural authenticity. Explained International Standards Development Coordinator. Community empowerment initiatives inspired worldwide show grassroots organizations replicated collaborative approaches addressing energy challenges. Global movement community-driven renewable energy innovation transforming energy access developing regions. Observed Community Development Research Consortium. Research funding reached unprecedented levels, show grants exceeding €100 million allocated studying improvements applications reflected heating technology. International investment demonstrates recognition technology's transformational potential. Documented Research Funding Tracking Center. Professional associations achieved global membership exceeding 10,000 practitioners supporting reflected heating technology development worldwide. International network enabling knowledge sharing and continuous innovation whilst preserving traditional wisdom, reported Professional Association Coordination Office. 6 months evolution vid personal heating solution. The globally recognized climate technology demonstrates remarkable journey individual innovation can undertake. Reflected Miroslav during UN Climate Conference presentation. Technology enhancement continued show digital innovation artificial intelligence systems developed optimizing reflected heating performance, various environmental conditions. Technology integration enhancing traditional techniques whilst preserving authentic knowledge and community benefits. Explained Technological Development Coordination Authority. International cooperation expanded QE formal agreements facilitating technology transfer. Knowledge-sharing programs between 100 countries. Government partnerships enabling communities worldwide adapt reflected heating techniques, appropriate local conditions and materials. Reported International Cooperation Research Center. Environmental impact documentation revealed significant carbon footprint reduction communities implementing reflected heating systems. Life cycle analysis demonstrates reflected heating technology contributing measurably global emission reduction goals, concluded Environmental Impact Research Consortium. Economic benefits extended far beyond immediate heating cost savings show property values, agricultural productivity, tourism revenue created substantial community wealth. Comprehensive economic analysis confirms reflected heating technology generates long-term economic benefits vastly exceeding initial investment. Calculated Economic Research Institute. Cultural significance grew international recognition, traditional knowledge, valuable resource addressing contemporary challenges. Global appreciation traditional wisdom combines modern innovation, creating sustainable solutions inspired communities worldwide. Observed Cultural Heritage Research Authority. Most profound satisfaction witnessing technology inspired personal necessity, now helping millions people worldwide achieve affordable clean heating, concluded Miroslav. Demonstrates power, individual creativity, može have global impact when shared is supported properly. International success story proved that simple innovations koristeći recycled materials can inspire worldwide movement toward sustainable energy solutions whilst creating substantial economic opportunities and environmental benefits communities globally. Paragraf 7. 7. Mesec od Miroslavov Revolutionary Heat Reflection Sistema označil je istorijski moment kada World Economic Forum u Davos oficijalno declared nivotu innovation global breakthrough technology announced creation €50 billion international reflected heat initiative supporting worldwide implementation. OVA unprecedented recognition placed simple recycling project among world's priority technologies addressing climate change and energy poverty. World Economic Forum President personally presented award Miroslav Tajicom, ceremonia attended leaders at 60 countries. Innovation representing exactly type solution world needs, affordable, sustainable, a community-empowering technology show addresses multiple global challenges simultaneously, declared Forum President. International Monetary Fund announced major funding programs supporting reflected heating infrastructure development, developing countries. Economic analysis confirms technology mojiti lift millions families at energy poverty whilst contributing climate goals. Explained IMF Sustainable Development Coordinator. Regional transformation achieved complete sustainable energy independence, Sto reflected heating technology anchored comprehensive renewable energy ecosystem. Municipality became global model community energy independence, inspiring similar initiatives worldwide. Documented Sustainable Development Research Authority. Harvard Business School established permanent case study program examining reflected heating technology, how grassroots innovation can disrupt established industries. Academic recognition significant GR demonstrates value traditional knowledge combines modern application. Noted Business School Research Coordinator. International technology corporations announced partnerships worth billion euros developing smart systems, IoT integration reflected heating technology. Corporate investment demonstrates market recognition, so traditional techniques enhanced modern technology create superior solutions. Observed Technology Industry Analysis Center. Global humanitarian impact reached transformational scale. Show reflected heating installations provided warmth, comfort. Tens millions displaced low-income families worldwide. Technology revolutionizing humanitarian assistance with development programs. Documented International Humanitarian Coordinator. Scientific Research Consortium achieved major breakthroughs, understanding thermodynamics, show-led improvements, achieving greater heating efficiency distances. Research enabling optimization technology performance whilst maintaining affordability and community benefits, reported Scientific Research Coordination Authority. UNESCO officially designated reflected heating knowledge, intangible cultural heritage humanity. Recognizing technology, kako valuable traditional wisdom, worthy global preservation. Cultural recognition important acknowledges traditional knowledge, valuable resource addressing contemporary challenges. Explained UNESCO Cultural Heritage Coordinator. Professional Training Academy achieved global reach. Show certified technicians at 100 countries qualified install and maintain reflected heating systems. International workforce ensuring quality installations and community benefits worldwide whilst preserving traditional techniques. Noted Training Academy Coordination Authority. Educational revolution accelerated. Reflected heating technology integrated STEM curricula schools worldwide. To practical demonstration renewable energy principles. Students globally learning environmental science physics hands-on experience, working systems, reported International Education Research Consortium. International patent protection achieved balanced approach, ensuring technology accessibility, developing countries whilst protecting innovations. Intellectual property framework enabling widespread humanitarian application, whilst encouraging continued innovation in explained Patent Coordination Authority. Investment market transformation substantial, sustainable energy funds impact investors allocated unprecedented resources, supporting reflected heating technology scaling. Market recognition demonstrates significant commercial potential affordable renewable energy solutions addressing global needs. Noted Investment Market Research Authority. Government policy innovation achieved global consensus supporting community renewable energy initiatives. Policy frameworks evolved, accommodate grassroots innovation whilst providing regulatory support. Quality is safety, reported International Energy Policy Coordination Center. Regional economic impact reached transformational levels, Sto reflected heating industry, generated billions euros, economic activity, supporting thousands permanent jobs. Technology cluster demonstrating Keiko traditional knowledge can drive modern sustainable economic development. Documented Economic Impact Research Institute. International Conference Circuit. Dedicated reflected heating technology attracted unprecedented global participation with government leaders, scientists, and community practitioners. Global interest demonstrates technology's potential addressing worldwide energy and climate challenges. Observed Conference Coordination Authority. Climate monitoring confirmed measurable global impact. Show communities implementing reflected heating technology, contributing significantly emission reduction goals. Collective impact thousands installations creating measurable improvement. Global climate indicators. Documented International Climate Research Consortium. Community empowerment movement inspired worldwide. Show grassroots organizations replicated collaborative approaches developing local renewable energy solutions. Global network community innovators sharing knowledge and creating sustainable energy independence. Observed Community Development Research Authority. Research funding achieved historic levels. Stu international grants exceeding billion euros. Allocated studying applications improvements reflected heating technology worldwide. Investment demonstrating global recognition technologies transformational potential addressing climate and development challenges. Tracked Research Funding Coordination Center. Cultural Renaissance accelerated show communities worldwide rediscovered and developed traditional heating wisdom inspiring contemporary sustainable solutions. Global appreciation traditional knowledge combines this modern innovation creating worldwide movement. Sustainable Community Development, Noted Cultural Heritage Research Consortium. 7 months transformation of simple heating project do globally recognized climate technology demonstrates extraordinary power individual innovation, reflected Miroslav during World Economic Forum keynote presentation. Technology advancement continued, Stu artificial intelligence. Machine learning systems developed optimizing reflected heating performance, various environmental conditions worldwide. Technology integration enhancing traditional wisdom whilst preserving authentic community benefits, explain Technological Innovation Coordination Authority. International cooperation achieved unprecedented levels. Formal agreements facilitate technology transfer knowledge, sharing programs between 150 countries. Government partnerships enabling communities worldwide adapt technology local conditions materials whilst maintaining effectiveness. Reported International Cooperation Research Center. Environmental impact documentation confirmed significant contribution. Global sustainability goals show reflected heating technology, reducing carbon emissions whilst enhancing community resilience. Life cycle analysis demonstrates technology contributing measurably international climate commitments. Concluded Environmental Research Authority. Economic benefits extended comprehensively. Show property value increases. Agricultural productivity improvements. Tourism revenue. Job creation generated substantial global wealth. Economic analysis confirms reflected heating technology, creating transformational community benefits worldwide. Calculated Economic Research Institute. Professional recognition reached pinnacle show International Engineering and Architecture Associations acknowledged reflected heating technology, major innovation sustainable development. Professional validation important JER demonstrates traditional techniques combines modern understanding create superior solutions, noted Professional Recognition Coordination Authority. Greatest honor witnessing simple innovation inspired personal heating problem now contributing global efforts addressing climate change whilst helping millions achieve affordable clean energy. Concluded Miroslav. International legacy proved individual creativity combined traditional knowledge can inspire worldwide transformation towards sustainable solutions whilst creating economic opportunities and environmental benefits communities globally. Paragraf 8. 8 мjesec Miroslavovog Heat Reflection революcije достигна culminating момент когато Ujedinjene nacije официално usvožile Global Reflected Heat Protocol, како Worldwide Framework за Sustainable Community Heating, dok je Norwegian Nobel Committee announced što je Miroslav među finalistata za Peace Prize za his contribution international cooperation kroz renewable energy innovation. Ovaj unprecedented recognition підняв simple Croatian invention do ravnišće major global climate technology. Nobel Peace Prize nomination recognized Miroslav's work kao outstanding contribution, peaceful climate adaptation that demonstrates kako individual innovation can inspire international cooperation addressing shared challenges. Committee praised technology's role facilitating cooperation među communities worldwide facing energy poverty and climate change impacts. United Nations Secretary-General personally visited Miroslav's installation Durante ceremony launching Global Reflected Heat Protocol. This remarkable innovation represents future renewable energy, community-driven, culturally respectful, and environmentally sustainable, declared Secretary-General before Assembly representatives 190 countries. International Space Station began experimenting reflected heating principles, developing life support systems, future space exploration missions. Traditional heating wisdom applicable advanced space applications, explained Space Research Coordinator, ancient knowledge informing cutting-edge technology development. World Bank achieved historic milestone, allocating $10 billion Global Reflected Heat Fund, supporting technology implementation, 100 developing countries. Investment represents largest commitment community renewable energy initiative bank's history, announced World Bank President. Regional transformation reached unprecedented levels. What entire Croatian region declared Global Center Reflected Heat Excellence, attracting international research institutions, corporations, e-government partnerships. Region becoming worldwide hub sustainable energy innovation e-education. Reported Regional Development Authority. Harvard University established permanent Miroslav Božić Institute Sustainable Energy Innovation, dedicated advancing community renewable energy technologies. Academic recognition demonstrates value traditional knowledge informing contemporary scientific research, noted University Research Coordination Authority. Major technology corporations announced collaborative €1 billion initiative developing smart reflected heating systems integrating Internet Things, artificial intelligence optimization. Corporate partnership demonstrates market recognition, traditional techniques enhanced, modern technology create revolutionary solutions. Observed Technology Industry Research Center. Global humanitarian impact reached transformational scale, show reflected heating technology, provided warmth, comfort over 100 million families worldwide, dramatically improving quality life, reducing energy poverty. Technology revolutionized humanitarian assistance e-community development programs globally. Documented International Humanitarian Impact Assessment Authority. Scientific breakthroughs continued. Show advanced research revealed new principles, thermal dynamics enabling greater efficiency, range reflected heating systems. Research discoveries enabling optimized performance whilst maintaining simplicity affordability. Reported International Scientific Research Consortium. Professional training achieved global certification. 10,000 specialists, 150 countries qualified design install, maintain reflected heating systems worldwide. International workforce ensuring quality implementations whilst preserving traditional knowledge community benefits, noted Global Training Coordination Authority. Educational transformation remarkable, reflected heating technology became mandatory component. Environmental education curricula 70 countries, teaching million students renewable energy principles. Global Education Initiative inspiring new generation environmental innovators, reported International Education Research Coordination Center. International Patent Framework achieved optimal balance ensuring technology accessibility humanitarian applications whilst protecting intellectual property, encouraging continued innovation. Balanced approach enabling widespread development benefits whilst supporting innovation, explained International Patent Coordination Authority. Investment market evolution, substantial, show reflected heating technology attracted €20 billion, sustainable investment supporting industry development worldwide. Market recognition demonstrates significant commercial potential, community renewable energy solutions. I noted Sustainable Investment Research Authority. Climate impact monitoring confirmed measurable contribution, global emission reduction goals, to thousands reflected heating installations collectively reducing carbon footprint, millions families. Technology contributing significantly international climate commitments, documented Global Climate Research Consortium. Government policy achievement reached consensus, show 100 countries implemented supportive legislation, community renewable energy innovations. Policy frameworks evolved globally. accommodate and encourage grassroots sustainable energy development, reported International Energy Policy Research Institute. Community empowerment movement achieved worldwide reach, što grassroots organizations 100 countries replicated collaborative approaches developing local renewable energy independence. Global network community innovators creating sustainable energy solutions, locally appropriate materials, observed Community Development Research Authority. Cultural recognition achieved peak Hoji. UNESCO declared reflected heating knowledge, intangible cultural heritage humanity, acknowledging traditional wisdom, valuable resource addressing contemporary challenges, cultural heritage protection ensuring traditional knowledge preserved and developed future generations, noted UNESCO Cultural Heritage Authority. Research funding reached historic levels, što international institutions allocated 10 billion euros, studying applications improvements, reflected heating technology addressing various global challenges. Investment demonstrates unprecedented recognition technology's transformational potential, tracked Global Research Funding Coordination Center. Economic impact analysis revealed substantial global benefits reflecting heating technology, creating millions jobs, whilst reducing energy costs billions families worldwide. 8. mjesec Miroslavovog Heat Reflection Revolution dostignuo je culminating moment kada su Ujedinjeni narodi službeno usvojili Global Reflected Heat Protocol kao worldwide framework za sustainable community heating, dok je Norwegian Nobel Committee objavila da je Miroslav među finalistima za Peace Prize za njegovu Contribution International Cooperation kroz Renewable Energy Innovation. Ova unprecedented recognition podigla je Simple Croatian Invention do nivoa Major Global Climate Technology. Nobel Peace Prize nomination prepoznala je Miroslavov rad kao Outstanding Contribution Peaceful Climate Adaptation, što demonstrates kako individual innovation može inspire international cooperation addressing shared challenges. The committee je pohvalila technology's ulogu facilitating cooperation između communities worldwide facing energy poverty and climate change impacts. United Nations Secretary General personally visited Miroslav's installation tijekom ceremony launching Global Reflected Heat Protocol. Ova remarkable innovation predstavlja future renewable energy, community-driven, culturally respectful, and environmentally sustainable, declared Secretary General pred Assembly Representatives 190 zemalja. International Space Station počela je experimenting reflected heating principles developing life support systems za future space exploration missions. Traditional heating wisdom, applicable advanced space applications, objasnio je Space Research Coordinator. Ancient knowledge informing cutting-edge technology development, ekutelter. World Bank postigla je historic milestone allocating $10 milijarda, Global Reflected Heat Fund supporting technology implementation to developing countries. Investment represents largest commitment, Community Renewable Energy Initiative UBank's history, announced World Bank President. Regional transformation dosegla je unprecedented levels gdje je entire Croatian region declared Global Center Reflected Heat Excellence, privlačeći international research institutions, corporations, and government partnerships. Region postaje worldwide hub sustainable energy innovation and education, reported Regional Development Authority. Harvard University ustanovila je permanent Miroslav Božić Institute Sustainable Energy Innovation, dedicated advancing community renewable energy technologies. Academic recognition demonstrates value traditional knowledge, informing contemporary scientific research, noted University Research Coordination Authority. Major technology corporations objavile su collaborative miliarda euro initiative, developing smart, reflected heating systems, integrating Internet of Things, artificial intelligence optimization. Corporate partnership demonstrates market recognition, traditional techniques, enhanced modern technology, create revolutionary solutions, observe Technology Industry Research Center. Global humanitarian impact dosegnuo je transformational scale, što je reflected heating technology provided warmth comfort preko 100 milijuna obitelji worldwide, dramatically improving quality of life, reducing energy poverty. Technology revolutionized humanitarian assistance (EI) community development programs globally, documented International Humanitarian Impact Assessment Authority, scientific breakthroughs, nastavio što je advanced research, otkrio new principles, thermal dynamics enabling još greater efficiency, range-reflected heating systems. Research discoveries enabling optimized performance whilst maintaining simplicity, affordability, reported International Scientific Research Consortium. Professional training postigao je global certification 10.000 specialists od 150 zemalja. Qualified design, install, maintain reflected heating systems worldwide. International workforce ensuring quality implementations whilst preserving traditional knowledge, community benefits, noted Global Training Coordination Authority. Educational transformation remarkable. Što je reflected heating technology, postala mandatory component environmental education curricula. 70 zemalja, teaching million students renewable energy principles. Global Education Initiative inspiring new generation environmental innovators. Reported International Education Research Coordination Center. International Patent Framework postigla ja optimal balance, ensuring technology accessibility humanitarian applications whilst protecting intellectual property, encouraging continued innovation. Balanced approach enabling widespread development benefits while supporting innovation, objasnila International Patent Coordination Authority. Investment market evolution substantial što je reflected heating technology privukla 20 milijarda eura, sustainable investment supporting industry development worldwide. Market recognition demonstrates significant commercial potential community, renewable energy solutions. Noted Sustainable Investment Research Authority, Climate Impact Monitoring potvrdila measurable contribution global emission reduction goals. 100,000 reflected heating installations, collectively reducing carbon footprint milijuna obitelji. Technology contributing significantly international climate commitments, documented Global Climate Research Consortium. Government policy achievement dosegla consensus, što je 100 zemalja implemented supportive legislation community renewable energy innovations. Policy frameworks evolved globally, accommodate encourage grassroots sustainable energy development, reported International Energy Policy Research Institute. Community empowerment movement postignula worldwide reach što grassroots organizations 100 zemalja replicated collaborative approaches developing local renewable energy independence. Global network community innovators creating sustainable energy solutions locally appropriate materials, observed Community Development Research Authority. Cultural recognition postigla peak što je UNESCO declared reflected heating knowledge. Intangible cultural heritage of humanity, acknowledging traditional wisdom, valuable resource addressing contemporary challenges. Cultural heritage protection ensuring traditional knowledge preserved, developed future generations. Noted UNESCO Cultural Heritage Authority. Research funding dosegla historic levels što international institutions allocated 10 milijarda eura. Studying applications improvements, reflected heating technology, addressing various global challenges. Investment demonstrates unprecedented recognition technology's transformational potential. Tracked Global Research Funding Coordination Center. Economic impact analysis otkrila substantial global benefits što reflected heating technology, creating milijuni jobs whilst reducing energy costs billions obitelji worldwide. Comprehensive economic analysis confirms technology generating transformational economic benefits globally. Calculated International Economic Research Institute. Environmental monitoring potvrdila significant positive impacts što reflected heating installations contributing biodiversity enhancement, soil health improvement, climate stabilization effects regionally worldwide. Environmental benefits extending far beyond immediate heating applications. Documented Environmental Research Authority. International cooperation dosegnula unprecedented levels što formal agreements facilitate technology transfer, knowledge-sharing programs između 150 zemalja. Government partnerships enabling communities worldwide adapt technology local conditions whilst maintaining effectiveness. Reported International Cooperation Research Center. Professional recognition peaked, što International Engineering Architecture Associations acknowledged. Reflected heating technology, major breakthrough sustainable development. Professional validation demonstrates traditional techniques, combined modern understanding create superior solutions. Noted Professional Recognition Authority. Technology advancement continued. Što artificial intelligence machine learning systems developed, optimizing reflected heating performance various environmental conditions worldwide. Technology integration enhancing traditional wisdom whilst preserving authentic community benefits. Explained Technological Innovation Coordination Authority. Media recognition achieved global peak, što major international networks, publications, online platforms featured comprehensive coverage, reflected heating, renaissance-inspiring worldwide replication. Media attention catalyzing global movement community renewable energy innovation. Observed Media Impact Research Center. 8 mjeseci, transformation od simple heating problem to globally recognized climate solution demonstrates extraordinary power, individual innovation, can properly supported shared, reflected Miroslav Tijekom Nobel Prize nomination ceremony. Greatest honor witnessing kako simple innovation inspired personal necessity, now helping hundreds millions ljudi worldwide achieve affordable clean heating whilst contributing global climate goals, concluded Miroslav. International legacy proved što individual creativity combined traditional knowledge can inspire worldwide transformation towards sustainable solutions whilst creating substantial economic opportunities. Environmental benefits communities globally, demonstrating that most powerful innovations često emerge from grassroots creativity rather than institutional research. Paragraf 9, 9. mjesec. Miroslavovog reflected heating revolucije označio je transformational moment kada je International Climate Summit u Glasgow officially declared njegovu technology essential technology for global climate adaptation i World Economic Forum announced establishment €100 billion Miroslav Initiative. Największa international funding program dedicated community. Renewable energy innovations u history. Ovaj unprecedented global recognition eleviro je simple Croatian heating project na nivo fundamental solution addressing climate change energy poverty worldwide. Glasgow Climate Summit featured special ceremony gdje Miroslav addressed assembly world leaders from 200 countries. Individual innovation može inspire global transformation, declared summit president introducing Miroslav. Croatian inventor demonstrates your traditional wisdom combined contemporary application može to provide solutions što world desperately needs. International Monetary Fund announced historic decision integrating reflected heating technology development u global financial stability programs. Technology represents perfect combination economic efficiency, environmental sustainability, and social empowerment, explained IMF Managing Director. Investment reflected heating infrastructure, generating measurable returns, climate resilience, economic development. Vatican expressed interest u Miroslav's achievement kao example, human ingenuity serving common good. Pope personally met Miroslav discussing how technology embodies principles carrying creation and helping most vulnerable communities. Innovation-inspired compassion, practical wisdom što benefits всички людей, noted Vatican statement. 50 major multinational corporations announce collaborative initiative investing €20 billion developing global reflected heating supply chains, manufacturing distribution networks. Corporate recognition demonstrates market confidence technologies' commercial potential whilst maintaining community benefits, observed International Business Research Institute. Regional transformation achieved complete sustainable energy independence, što entire Croatian region eliminated fossil fuel dependency, renewable energy systems, anchored, reflected heating technology. Region became first European area, achieve carbon neutrality, koristejući primarily community innovations, Documented Regional Development Authority. Harvard Kennedy School Government published comprehensive policy analysis titled Miroslav Model: How Individual Innovation Can Drive Global Policy Change. Study examined how grassroots technologies should influence international governance, sustainable development priorities. International humanitarian organizations achieved unprecedented success. Show reflected heating installations, provided comfort safety, millions, refugees, disaster-affected populations worldwide. Technology revolutionizing humanitarian response, providing dignity resilience, vulnerable communities. Documented Humanitarian Impact Coordination Authority. Scientific Research Consortium made breakthrough discoveries that reflected heating principles, applicable space exploration, underwater habitats, extreme environment applications. Traditional wisdom informing advanced technology development, multiple frontiers. Reported Scientific Innovation Research Center. Professional certification achieved, global standardization. Show qualified technicians with 200 countries trained. Install, maintain reflected heating systems, ensuring quality consistency worldwide. International workforce, supporting technology deployment whilst preserving cultural authenticity, community benefits. Noted Certification Coordination Authority. Educational transformation reached saturation. Show reflected heating technology, integrated curricula, 100 countries, teaching environmental science, renewable energy principles, millions students annually. Global Education Initiative. Creating generation innovators committed sustainable solutions. Reported Education Research Consortium. International Patent Framework achieved optimal global coverage, ensuring technology accessibility, developing countries whilst protecting innovations, encouraging research development. Balanced intellectual property approach, enabling humanitarian applications while supporting continued innovation, explained Patent Coordination Center. Investment market evolution, substantial show reflected heating technology sector, attracted €50 billion, private-public investment supporting industry development worldwide. Market confidence demonstrates technology's transformational commercial potential. Noted Sustainable Investment Tracking Authority. Climate monitoring confirmed significant global impact. Show reflected heating installations collectively contributing measurable reductions, greenhouse gas emissions, whilst enhancing community climate resilience. Technology demonstrating scalable impact, international climate commitments. It documented Global Climate Research Authority. Government policy transformation remarkable. 150 countries implemented comprehensive legislation supporting community renewable energy innovations inspired Miroslav's success. Policy evolution demonstrates global recognition. Grassroots innovation essential sustainable development. Reported International Policy Research Institute. Community empowerment movement achieved worldwide institutionalization key. Thousands grassroots organizations created local renewable energy independence programs based reflected heating principles. Global community innovation, network transforming energy access underserved populations, observed Community Development Research Consortium. Cultural preservation achieved major milestone. Show traditional heating knowledge JUOC documented, preserved communities worldwide ensuring wisdom, preservation future generations. Cultural heritage protection, maintaining traditional knowledge whilst enabling contemporary applications, noted Cultural Preservation Coordination Authority. Research funding reached unprecedented levels. Show international institutions allocated €30 billion comprehensive research programs studying reflected heating applications, improvements, addressing global challenges. Research investment demonstrates international recognition technologies' transformational potential. Tracked Research Funding Monitoring Center. Economic analysis confirmed substantial global benefits to reflected heating technology created millions, jobs, reduced energy costs, billions families, whilst generating significant economic multiplier effects. Economic impact analysis demonstrates technology creating sustainable prosperity communities worldwide. Calculated International Economic Research Institute. Environmental impact studies revealed comprehensive positive effects. show reflected heating installations, contributing biodiversity enhancement, ecosystem restoration, climate stabilization effects globally. Environmental benefits demonstrating harmony measure human innovation, natural systems,